All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, today I told you that we're going to actually be updating our code that we ran yesterday inside of our Remix IDE. And remember, yesterday we went over our fixed size list. We still have our fixed size list of 5 here. Yesterday, when we were storing numbers, they were actually going to the same position in our index. So today we're going to actually see if we can actually get that fixed and start going over the proper procedures to get our numbers stored in their proper location in the index. So let's get this compiled, and then we're going to run a deploy, and then we're going to see what we come up with. So we have it compiled here. Let's deploy it. Let's deploy. Let's actually open up the file and see what's going on. So let's move down. So that's the first number we're going to store is the number 3. Let's get it, add that number. Let's go to the index and actually access the first location and see what we get. You see we have 3. Let's go to the second location and see what's there. If you have anything, it's 0, meaning there's nothing there. So let's go ahead and add a number now and see if there's going to be a number here. Let's add a number and hit it again. 7. See, it's updated. Let's go back to the first position and see if it's still holding our 3. Let's go back to the first position. So it's still 3. We'll go back to the second position and see what it's holding. And it's still 7. Let's add one more number and see if it's still working good. Even though we have 5, we're just going to do one more number. So we're going to add the number 10. We're going to add it. And let's go to the first position to make sure it's still holding our 3. It's 3. Let's go to the second position and make sure it's still holding our 7. Let's see. It's still holding 7. Now let's go to the third position and see if it's holding our 10. There it is. So our code is updated, or our contract is updated so that we can add our numbers to their proper location in the index, and we're not doing any overlaying. So yeah, everything is working smoothly now, so we're going to move forward inside of our contract. And of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.